Improve SEO content readability, 13 to 14 words per sentence. In order to rank higher in Google, our content needs to be readable and engaging for readers. As said, go big or go home, there is no point in publishing the content that no one wants to read. Our tool, the Similar Content Pro, provides a nice way to improve readability in a measurable way. Simply, we shorten the sentences around 13 to 14 words per sentence. What is content readability? It's a way to quantify how readable a piece of text is. The readability number is calculated by the program using a number of factors, including the number of words, sentence length, and sentence structure. The importance of readable content for SEO. Google values readability a lot because it concerns user experience. If the text is not readable, you are not creating value for readers. When no one reads difficult content and leading the page has a big bounce rate, your page fails in ranking eventually. Even though your content matters a lot, you fail. On the other hand, readability can be the secret of outranking. Maybe your content is less valuable, but with great readability, you might be the final winner. The more reading though, the more Google favored ranking records you're. Ways to improve content readability. Actually, today I just simply mentioned the readability recipe, 13 to 14 words per sentence. In the Similar Content Pro, you can see how it improves. But all of this is based on some very practical writing skills. 1. Content structure improvement. The first thing you need to do is to improve the structure of your content. If you have a long text, the content will be split into different sections. The content will be too long and difficult to read without a clue. So you need to make the structure to be logical and reasonable. 2. Sections are related and organized. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that the sections are actually related and organized. If you have a lot of content on your page, make sure it is following certain rules of analysis or investigation. 3. All the important information is mentioned and well listed. Research important points of the topic and list them in the text. The more you mentioned, the more people will be attracted to read. Always mention the keywords you want to rank in the top 10. And then optimize the keywords you mentioned in the text. 4. Breaking down text into subheadings and paragraphs. If you have a long text, you should break it down, make it easier to read. This is important for 2 reasons. First, it helps people to absorb the text faster. And second, it makes the content more organized. When everything is done, you can improve readability, as I said. With such a solid basement, you can easily shorten your sentences, yes, as simple as 13 to 14 words per sentence.